Shall I start? If you don't mind?
Yes, of course.
So, my kid started, joined Chalk Tree when he was around less than
2.5 years.
yeah, 2.5 years approximately. And he has been with Chalk Tree for the last 2.5 years now. He is close to 5 now, he'll be 5 in April. So, he has been with Chalk Tree for the last 2.5 years. Both of us being working, so we never used to get time to take care of him. We also don't have time in the evening to sit with him and look after his queries and all. So we are totally dependent on the school. For the last 2.5 years, we have been dependent on the school with the daycare teachers or the school teachers, and they have lived up to the mark. At times, if I talk about a specific number, it's been 4 or 5 times in the last 2.5 years that we have had to complain to Deepika or any other class teacher, to be precise. Whenever we want to speak to Deepika, she is always available, or any other management person. Even once I wanted to speak to Mr. Gupta, he was also available. So they are very approachable, that is number one. Whenever we voice out our opinion, we voice out any complaints, they do their best to resolve it. And I've noticed that in 1 or 2 days the problem is sorted, the problem is solved. My kid has been, what should I say? He's very, very tough to handle. He's very naughty. If he does not want to do something, he will cry for 2 minutes and he will vomit. He has that Brahmastra with him. So whenever he says he does not want to do anything, if we try to force him, he will vomit. So it was very difficult for the school and us to handle him when he joined. So it took him 6 months to settle in the school. He settled, then there was a summer vacation, he came back, he was again unsettled. He again started vomiting when he reached the school. So it was very difficult for us. But yeah, finally as of now, after 2.5 years, I can say that he does not want to stay at home. He wakes up in the morning and says, I would like to go to school. I want to go to Reshma ma'am, I want to go to Ritu ma'am. So he does not want to stay at home. He is very happy to stay in the school. If I ask him at what time shall I pick you, he will always say, don't pick me, I'll come by my own. Or he will say, come as late as you can. Drop me as early as you want, come as late as you can. That is his answer. So I'm pretty happy with the school. I can give you a commitment that he will never leave this school. He will actually stay with the school till the time the school, as of now it's only till standard 5, but I know in future it will grow till 12. So he'll definitely do his 12th from this school. So he'll stay with the school till 12th. Let's see if the school grows further, he might stay further.
And just to add on, we have heard about custom-made dresses, custom-made cars. This is a custom-made school.
Thank you. That's a big compliment.
So wherever you come here, you give your feedback, and you want the school to work on that. They work on that, and this is the best part of Chalk Tree. And I wish all the best to the team. Thank you so much for handling Kautik with so much of love and affection. Thank you, Deepika ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Great. So our child also attended since his early days, preschool, and then he's now would be going to nursery. I think the whole journey has been tremendously good, and the kudos goes to management team and teachers. I think the most different factor from other school versus this was the trust factor which management built, and then it feels like our child is going to another home away from home, but we can completely trust teachers, and we feel that he's safe, he's in good hand, and he has learnt a lot since he started attending his school. So I guess Chalk Tree played a huge role in his upliftment, and definitely with the new setup, the school have now turned to global school. I wish all the success for a school, and I see that future it will flourish along with kids. So all the best. Anything you want to?
I just want to add that the first thing that I got from this school is the love and affection to the children's, to everyone. Means if we are coming with any one of the query, it gets solved immediately, and at the same time it get addressed and attended. So I love this thing, and I will definitely keep my child over here from past, as he is coming also from the past 2 years, and I will also love to have here only from till 5th or whatever. Yeah, it's going to be open. So all the very best, and it's a really a good journey with Chalk Tree. Thank you.